Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to block cookies in incognito mode in Chrome on your PC. Incognito mode allows you to browse privately, but blocking cookies can further enhance your privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC by clicking on its icon in the taskbar or desktop. Step 2. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, click on the More button. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand menu. Step 5. Select third-party cookies from the options. Step 6. Under the Default Behavior section, click on Block third-party cookies in incognito mode. By following these 6 simple steps, you can block cookies in incognito mode in Chrome on your PC, ensuring a more private browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tutorials and tips.